It's alive! It's alive! Ah, damn it, it died. It's alive! It's alive! Not running good, but it's running. Oh, hell yeah, now it's going. Well, it's Monday of the storm, the big storm, and I've been fortunate. They're trying to get us all to mandatory evacuate. Well, I'm too busy doing projects. That's plastic for the 600 that I've been working on, 1997. Man, I've made a lot of headway. Primed. That's the top fairing, side pieces. So I'll probably even paint the rate this is going. You can see the 600 underneath the plastic. And my water receded from Hurricane Harvey, but there's two sticks in the jar. The one closest to the house is how high the water got. Unfortunately for my neighbors across the street, it got in their house. Man, a big old airplane flying over, rescue type stuff, I guess, or flying in supplies out of Ellington. This is my neighborhood. We were safe over here on this side, but now the city are saying mandatory evacuation, and I say that's a day late and a dollar short. We'll stay here. I'll keep you posted on the progress. All right, I've been working on this 600 and about to squirt some blue paint to match the bike. Here's what we're matching. That's the color, and there's one of the components. Here's my makeshift spray booth, exhaust fan. Those lights are keeping the humidity down. There's my can't do this right. Paint, side panel, top of the tank, and that fairing is what we're going with. Good luck. This is Kerry working on the 1997 FZR600. Come a long way. Just the final touches, really. Painted all this front plastic. That's a new fairing. Of course, the bracket isn't lining up on the other side. Patched all that up. Of course, these things are busted up when you buy them cheap, $600. So I did all the, it's new tires, new brakes, customized all the brake disc and calipers, painted everything. It's gonna look badass. It's gonna look brand new. 12,000 miles. Got it running good. Of course, that's Medieval Customs. That's my brand. Coming along. That's its big brother, 1990 FZR1000, and I bought them both because they look a lot alike with the twin headlights. So they look pretty cool. I don't know how I'm gonna ride both of them at the same time, but We'll see. This is the maiden voyage of the completely restored 1997 FZR 600. Look at that. Next to its big brother, the FZR 1000.